Hello everybody, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today we are going to find the grayscale setting in iOS. Thank you to Tiaremi and Siddharth Musunuri for suggesting that I make this video. And apologies if I said your name incorrectly. Let's begin at the iPad home screen. Now, find the Settings app and open it. Then scroll all the way down on the left-hand side until you see Accessibility and press that. Once your Accessibility menu opens, on the right-hand side, select Display and Text Size. Now, scroll all the way down until you see Color Filters and press that. You will now see a nice little color filter switch. And once you press that, the iPad goes into grayscale mode. In case you're wondering, you can't see the grayscale mode on my iPad because screenshots bypass this setting. And that's it. You're done. Now you might be thinking, this is a bit of a long procedure. Is there any kind of shortcut that I can use? And yes, there is. If you want the shortcut, go back to Accessibility on the left-hand side, scroll down until you see Accessibility Shortcut on the right-hand side. Once that opens, select Color Filters and anything else you would like. Now, if you want to trigger grayscale mode, simply triple tap the home button and immediately you get a list of options that pop up and you can easily trigger grayscale mode. Just like that. Very simple. I hope you find this shortcut helpful. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, I pay a lot of money for a color screen, so why would I ever want to put it into grayscale mode? And there are two main reasons for that. Firstly, if you're battling a phone addiction, muting your phone's colors can actually make it easier to put away. And that's according to Tristan Harris. He was a design ethicist at Google. Secondly, grayscale mode can actually help preserve battery life, provided you have an OLED screen. OLED basically means that every pixel has its own backlight. So if your screen is going to display more black colors, then you can switch off more backlights, meaning less power is required. And if you want to know whether your screen is OLED, here's a list of iPhones that have OLED displays. And if you're wondering, there is, as of right now, there are no iPads with OLED screens. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. If this video helped, please press the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it because I'm trying to grow the channel. Once again, thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.